Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to transfer crypto from CoinDCX to your Binance wallet, the Binance account. This tutorial will be quick and simple, so make sure to subscribe to this channel and leave a like on this video if you will find this guide useful. And now I'm also going to leave a link to my Binance where you can get a $100 bonus when you sign up first time. So make sure to look at it if you haven't signed up yet. Now, you want to go ahead on CoinDCX and click Funds option at the top right there in the right corner and choose an option Withdraw. Now from here, you want to choose a coin which you want to transfer. So for example, today, let's choose Binance coin. And as you can see, the Binance coin is on BEP20 Binance Smart Chain BSC network. So you will need to go ahead and find an address of the Binance BNB coin on this network. So you want to go ahead to Binance, click deposit option right there and choose deposit crypto here. Now you will need to select the coin. So I'm just going to write down BNB and choose this option. Now you need to select network, and as you can see, there is BNB Smart Chain, so you want to choose this. And now you will have your deposit address, which you want to copy and go back to CoinDCX. From here, you want to enter the address here, and you want to enter the amount. After that, just click send option, and that's basically it. That's how you send your cryptos from CoinDCX to your Binance. So if this video was helpful, guys, make sure to subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time.